those of you who might be wondering, no, this chair is not comfortable at all. So, for this video, I'm filming inside of my grandma's den. If you don't know what a den is, it's like a formal term for office in a house. Let me show you some of the things in this office, in this den, that I find somewhat interesting. So, there's this thing. Let's call it a picture curvature holder, whatever you want to call it. And this one is me as a baby. That's my dog. That dog you see is dead, but he was alive once, obviously. This is me and my mom on some Christmas, and I was wearing a Purdue shirt because, I don't know, it's a shirt, so I'm gonna wear it anyway. This is my dad, because it's her son, my grandma's son, whatever. This is me and my grandma. That's me, my grandma. Yeah. That's so terrible. This is a boot. This is an eagle. Whoa. This is a pileated woodpecker. Okay, cardinal. No, you got a mohawk, so you're cool. This one's got a fur ball in his butt. This doesn't have a name tag. Whatever this is, the gray bird. Got a mohawk too. It's really loud. It hurts my ears. It's commonly in. I would not want to own this ever. I'm guessing this is a robin. It's the most soothing one she's got here. This is the last one that she has here, and it's a great horned owl with no horns. So yep. It's probably not good for my camera. This show is awesome. Emily approves. This is a lens cover for this camera. So me showing this to you means the video is almost over. So what I want you guys to do in the comments is tell me, please tell me, I should say please, it's a nice thing to do. Tell me in the comments whether you like vlog type videos such as this one and me like talking about stuff, or comedy skits. Tell me in the comments, and I'll see you later.